What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, we're going to talk about Juno. What is so special about Juno? Well, first off, Juno is on the Cosmos blockchain. It is built on Tendermint. Juno is achieving, or trying to achieve, being what Ethereum sought out to be originally. Yes, Ethereum is still working on it, and I'm still super bullish on Ethereum, but until you guys see in this video why I'm super bullish on Juno, you won't know why until you see. First off, guys, everything I'm telling you in this video, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just me talking on a screen into a mic named Puffy, and we're just going to tell you guys about Juno. This is a part 2 video. I've already made the first part 1. It was kind of intro video, but the best way to look at Juno is a multi-chain smart contract platform, which is like massive. Because Ethereum is only on one chain. Just imagine if you could trade every single token that you wanted through Uniswap or on Ethereum. That would be so huge. But that's what Juno is solving. We're going to talk to you guys a couple of things. What's going on? What's the use case of the coin? What are the max supply, total supply? What should you know about Juno? It's a open source, interoperable, smart contract platform. However, with a caveat, it is multi-chain. So this can be worked on Terra Luna, this can be used on Akash, hopefully maybe even Ethereum if they have a bridge going on. Guys, this is hooking up with IBC. If you guys don't know what IBC is, it's basically the bridge that allows all these different chains to communicate with each other. So there's a bridge that allows Terra Luna or Akash network or Osmosis to basically talk with each other and the tokens to be able to be transacted from one chain over to another. So game changer in my opinion. Juno is trying to capitalize on the WordPress. So it's going to give you the tools to make your own smart contract platform, and you can make your own smart money. Guys, everyone knows dumb money is not the best. I mean, if you have to tell your money, hey, go ahead and pay that guy. No, it's like, let's build a smart contract that says, hey, if Johnny Jeff does this job and the cost for him doing the job is $10, well, as soon as Johnny Jeff finishes his job, I'm going to pay him $10. That's why we have ACH and everything's on auto pay, is because the less you do, well, the easier life is, and quote unquote, the more you make. That's what they say. So the coding languages for Juno right now are Rust and Go. They will have C and C++ coming soon. Also, they will be integrating things like CosmWasm, so they can be a multi-chain smart contract platform, being able to communicate with other EVM blockchains. By the way, guys, if you guys are curious what IBC is, it's basically trying to be the layer 0. What layer 0 means is like there is no layer 1, because you don't have like an Ethereum chain, you don't have Cardano. It's just layer 0. Everything's just there. It's boom, done. So here's where Juno differentiates itself from other smart contract networks. So we're talking things like Polygon Matic or like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. This is how it differentiates itself. First off, it's interoperable smart contracts. Now you're like, Drake, well, don't they have Polkadot? Well, Polkadot actually isn't launched yet, but yeah, they do have Polkadot. But I've already explained the reasoning why I like Cosmos better than Polkadot. Outside of it already has a working product. Well, I understand Polkadot's got a working product, but there's really not much to do over there. I mean, I guess you could send coins to someone else, but that's only so much fun. Then you have it being highly scalable, because it's got horizontal scalability. It's infinite scalability, because you're having more people building out their own chains and whatnot. That's what's making Cosmos more scalable. And Juno is on that because, well, it's able to communicate with other EVM machines. Easy to use, it's open source, and it's free to use. And by the way, guys, they are giving a generous airdrop, like I mentioned in the other video, almost 50% of their supply. Did you guys hear that? 50%, almost. That's crazy. I'll explain how much they gave anyways, but you'll understand. You also got dynamic fee balancing, and not to mention, guys, you aren't going to have to pay some like hefty Ethereum gas fees. It is going to be decentralized at launch. Why is that? Well, because they're airdropping the tokens to everyone. It's not like, oh yeah, you're a whale. Oh, you got $1 billion? Here, let me just give you like 40% of our supply just so we can make some money. And believe me, I know it's fair too, because I didn't get the Juno airdrop because I wasn't staking. Dummy me. Hey, I missed it by 2 days, but it is what it is. So the point is, they're rewarding anyone who was strengthening the Cosmos network, so supporting the ecosystem that is built on. What is this point of this Juno coin? I mean, it does all this cool stuff, but what is Junio? All right, Junio is the native asset of the Juno ecosystem. Junio and Juno are the same exact thing. I'm just saying it different ways. You know, like tomato, tomato, potato, potato. So here are the use cases. First off, it's used for securing the proof of stake network. So it can be used as staking to earn staking rewards and secure the chain. It's also used for transaction fees. So basically, like whenever you send a transaction or send something out, it's used for a gas fee. And it can also be used in DeFi. So like if you're like, hey, I want to use this as collateral so I can get a loan against it, you can do that. Or you can be like, hey, I want to use it for this NFT over here so I can provide liquidity. I mean, you can do that. Or you can just be like, I want some Taco Bell right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get a loan against my Juno tokens, and I'm going to go ahead and send it to an exchange, sell it, get some cash, and then, well, I'm going to go buy a taco. Yeah, you can do that too. You can buy tacos. So here's a breakdown of the supply. So first off, you have the community stake drop, which is about 30,600,000 Junio. Well, just about. It was over that. You guys can see the numbers there. Community pool, 20 million. Smart contract challenges, 2.3 million. So this is for something like, hey, come build some junk and we'll support your chain. Just like liquidity mining incentives, I would assume. Core development reserve, and this is vested 12 years, guys. This is how bullish the team is on the project. They said, nah, bro, forget 1 year. Nah, bro, forget 4 years. Nah, let's do 10. Nah, bro, let's do 12 because we can do 12. And then you got the core team vesting for 12 years. Dude, they stinking only gave themselves 1.4 million tokens and 10.3 for the community development reserve. I mean, dude. People were airdropped more tokens than the actual team was. I mean, that's awesome. In fact, check this out. Look, for smart contract challenges, they're giving more people more tokens than the actual team is getting itself. But hey, that's neither here nor there. And if you look at this chart, it's almost in reverse like what a lot of projects do. This little sliver is usually airdrops. Not Juno. Juno makes this little sliver. Yeah, you know, like the one that eats half the pie. Juno said, here, let me cut a piece of pie. And then they grab their piece and then they give you the whole pie. So you're like, oh, I thought I was getting a piece. Nah, bro, you get the whole pie. So here's how the reward schedule is going to go. First off, you're going to have the fixed inflation of about 40% in year one. So year one is going to be massively inflationary. And then you're going to have a quote unquote halvening for the Juno inflation rate. So next year it's only going to be 20%. And then phase 3, it's only 10%. So each year it halves. And then as you see in phase 4, it goes to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. And then we hit the max supply. That's all. Also, guys, Juno is used for governance. I forgot to mention that, but each Juno is enabling 1 vote for on-chain governance. And from the previous video, people were asking, hey, how do I get the airdrop? Well, you kind of missed out. You had to be staking your ATOM on February 18th. If you were staking your Atom tokens, then you would have got 1-to-1. So if you had 1 Atom stake, you would have got 1 Juno. So something to keep in mind. All right, buddy Freddy, now what? What can we do? What smart contracts can we do? Well, dude, it's like whatever this says. So if you're a developer or if you aren't a developer, you're just someone who has great ideas, well, get in a Discord, look for some people who know how to code, and launch your ideas. Here's a couple things you can see: lending, borrowing, AMMs, stablecoins, synthetics, marketplaces, identity management, auctions, splits, options like trading options, token creation, NFTs, gaming, DAOs, permission systems, IBC middleware contracts, IBC privacy contracts, polling, voting, anything you wanted to. And let me just show you guys this. This is fire sauce. Check this out. This is how you can create your own token. Look, I'm going to create some Jeff tokens, and I'm going to make 10,000 of them just because I can. Actually, better yet, let's make 777. Whoops. 777. All you got to do is connect your wallet, commission. There's no commission right now. Gas fees and connect your wallet. That's it. You can do copyrights. You can do burnable, mintable. Look, here's just a couple of concepts and ideas so you guys can see it. So you can even change the supply type. If you don't want it fixed, you can do unlimited, capped. You can say a certain amount. It's entirely up to you. You can make your own CW20. So the CW20 is basically the smart contract standard for Junio. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, bell button. Go ahead and leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. Also, tell me what you had for dinner. Did you get a loan against your crypto and buy Taco Bell? Nah, bro. You bought pizza. Nah, not me. I was at McDonald's. McDonald's was like fire sauce. Dogs. I also want to show you this junk too. This thing is awesome. So check out this dashboard that they have. This is like slick, man. So you can hook up your Keplr wallet, and it basically allows a easy integration and easy to understand UI. So you can stake tokens here. These are the tokens that are unstaked. You have the stake tokens that are already staked. You can choose to undelegate, redelegate. It's up to you. You can claim your rewards. It shows the unstaked amount of tokens and the eligible groups that you are in. So basically, it's different groups that are exclusive to your community because, well, different amounts of tokens let you get into different communities. So just something to keep in mind. You can also stake. You can vote on proposals. This is an easy way to look at the staking. You see all the different active nodes. There's about 46 different ones right now, and you literally just say, hey, delegate. I know you guys are seeing all these different commissions, and you're like, what in the world? There's 100%, 10%, 10%. Which one is which? Well, when you guys are looking at this commission is the amount that you pay to the actual validator itself. So that's something to keep in mind. And they also have a cool feature. So if you're choosing multiple validators, you can just see all the ones that you're staked to. Here's the proposals section. This shows all the past, pending, or rejected proposals. This is going to be like your governance and voting. So it's pretty easy to use and easy to view what your totals are, where you're staking, etc. They are partnered with OmniFlix. So OmniFlix built this pretty awesome dashboard. So you guys can check it out as well. This is when you're going to be staking the Juno tokens. But that's a quick overview of Juno. Let's go and leave you guys with a wisdom one line. I'm going to hit you guys with Proverbs chapter 17, verses 3. The crucible for silver and the furnace for gold, but the Lord tests the heart. Amen to that, man. Dogs, got to say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho, Matias, Matt There Is, DMC Codes. Isn't that a band? Dogs, thanks for watching. All right, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.